Part 14. Mobile phone, online shopping, social media and digital life English. Hello everyone. Welcome back. I'm Isha. I'm so happy you're here again. Today, we'll learn English for today's digital world. We'll practice conversations about mobile phones, online shopping, social media, video calls, and online payments. These are real-life situations that we use almost every day. So, relax. Listen carefully. Repeat every sentence after me. And speak confidently. Let's begin. Lesson 106, Mobile Phone Conversation. Imagine you're talking on the phone. Hello. Hello. Can you hear me clearly? Yes, I can hear you. How are you? I'm doing great. Thank you. Are you busy right now? No. I'm free. Can we talk for a few minutes? Of course. What's the matter? I just wanted to say hello. That's so kind. Have a wonderful day. You too. Now repeat everything. Excellent. Lesson 107, Online Shopping Conversation. Imagine you're shopping online. Hello. How can I help you? I'd like to order a pair of shoes. Certainly. What size do you need? Size 9, please. Which color would you like? Black. Your total is $50. Can I pay online? Yes. You can use a debit card, credit card, or UPI. Great. When will my order arrive? Within 3 days. Thank you. You're welcome. Excellent. Lesson 108, Social Media Conversation. Imagine you're talking with a friend. Hi. Hi. Did you see my new post? Yes. I really liked it. Thank you. Did you leave a comment? Yes. I also shared it with my friends. That's wonderful. Which social media app do you use the most? I mostly use Instagram and YouTube. Me too. Excellent. Repeat everything. Lesson 109, Video Call Conversation. Hello. Hello. Can you see me? Yes. I can see you clearly. Can you hear me? Yes. The audio is perfect. Let's start our meeting. Sure. Please share your screen. Done. Thank you. You're welcome. Wonderful. Lesson 110, Online Payment Conversation. Imagine you're paying online. Hello. How would you like to pay? I'd like to pay using UPI. Certainly. Please scan the QR code. Done. The payment was successful. Here's your receipt. Thank you. Have a nice day. You too. Excellent. Lesson 111, Daily Vocabulary. Today's words. Mobile, internet, application, password, delivery, payment, message, notification, account, website. Repeat after me. I received a notification. My order has been delivered. Please send me a message. I forgot my password. Excellent. Lesson 112, Pronunciation Practice. Repeat after me. Application, notification, password, internet, delivery, message, payment, website. Wonderful. Speak clearly. Speak confidently. Lesson 113, Listening Practice. Now just listen. Yesterday, I ordered a backpack from an online shopping website. I paid through UPI and received a confirmation message immediately. Today, the delivery arrived on time. Later, I made a video call to my friend and shared photos from my trip on social media. It was a productive and enjoyable day. Now answer. What did the speaker order? A backpack. How did the speaker pay? Through UPI. Excellent. Lesson 114, Speaking Confidence. Repeat after me. I enjoy speaking English. I speak with confidence. I communicate politely. I learn something new every day. Every conversation improves my English. I never stop practicing. I believe in myself. I will become fluent. Fantastic. You're doing an amazing job. Congratulations. You've completed part 14 of our English speaking practice series. Thank you for staying with me until the end. Every lesson brings you closer to speaking English confidently in your daily life. Remember, don't wait for the perfect moment. Start speaking today. Practice every day. and never be afraid to make mistakes. If today's lesson helped you, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Your support motivates me to create more free English lessons, vocabulary practice, pronunciation exercises, listening activities, and real-life English conversations for you. In the next lesson, we'll practice English for the airport security check, hotel reception, tourist places, and asking for directions. Thank you so much for learning with me. Keep practicing, keep smiling, keep speaking English every single day. I'm Isha. See you in the next lesson. Bye-bye.